So next example, find the distance, shortest distance between the lines L and M line. First of all, whenever you are solving the example, look at this coefficient of x, y and z. Coefficient of x, y, z must be a 1. So first one, for line L, a vector, a1 vector equal to, point is -1, -1, -1. If the common sign is plus, point is opposite sign. If it is minus, term is positive. Second, b1 vector, 7 - 6, 1. चलिए, line M, a2 vector, 3, 5, 7. b2 vector, 1 - 2, 1. First one, a2 minus a1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. Number 2, b1 cross b2, I cap, j cap, k cap. b1, 7 - 6, 1, 1 - 2, 1. I cap -6 plus 2 minus j cap 7 - 1 plus k cap -14 plus 6 minus 4 I cap minus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap. So this one is b1 vector cross b2 vector. Now shortest distance between two lines. So formula is shortest distance a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude b1 cross b2. a2 minus a1, 4, 6, 8, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 upon their magnitude 16, 64 plus 36. मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, -16 -36 -64, 100 So that is 116 upon √116. Answer √116. You can also simplify 116. Clear? चलिए next one. Next, shortest distance between again two lines. First line is L, second line is M. So line L, a1 vector, first line के लिए point, describe in scalar form 6, 2, 2. b1 vector, 1 - 2, 2. Second line, a2 vector, -4, 0, minus k. b2 vector, 3 - 2, -2। चलिए फर्स्ट A2 माइनस A1, तो -4 -6 -10 -2 -3, this one is A2 minus A1। Second, B1 vector cross B2 vector, I cap, J cap, K cap, 1 minus 2 2, 3 minus 2 minus 2, 4 plus 4, minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 plus 6, 8 I cap, 8 J cap, 4 K cap, 8 I cap, 8 J cap plus 4 K cap. Now next, shortest distance, A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude B1 cross B2। चलिए A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 -10 -2 -3, B1 cross B2 8 8 4 upon their magnitude 64 plus 64 plus 16, मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, -80 -16 -12 upon under root 64 plus 16 80 plus 64 144। Now 80 plus 16 96 plus 12 108, so minus 108 upon 12, 12 9s are, so distance is always positive, so answer is 9। Clear? चलिए next one, again shortest distance between two lines, but there is only what distance between, that means line may be parallel। तो ऑब्जर्व कीजिए दोनों की डायरेक्शन, 2 3 6 फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन M again 2 3 6, so lines are parallel, that is L1 line, that is L2 line, two lines are parallel, then distance between them, this is the V। So how can we find? So look at this L, first A1 vector, scalar form 1 2 minus 4, now both having same direction, so we write B vector 2 3 6, second M line, A2 vector 3 3, direction is always same, that is B vector, both having same direction। Now A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, A2 minus A1 2 1 minus 1। Next, number 2, that means distance a2 minus a1 क्रॉस बी वेक्टर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डायरेक्शन के लिए क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पॉइंट इनटू डायरेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज दैट? आई जे के a2 minus a1 2 1 minus 1 b vector 2 3 6 I cap 6 plus 3 j cap 12 plus 2 k cap 6 minus 2 9 I cap minus 14 j cap plus 4 k cap. This one is direction of a2 minus a1 cross b vector. Now distance a2 minus a1 cross b vector upon magnitude b vector. चलिए, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड दैट स्क्वायर रूट. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला 81 प्लस 196 प्लस 16 अपॉन 4 प्लस 9 प्लस 36. So 196 plus 81 plus 16 293. So under root 293 upon root 49. So that is 293 upon 7. 293 upon 7. Next one, find the vector equation. Find example. Line passing through this point and perpendicular to given two line. So that means required line is perpendicular to two given line. तो both line having direction is what? तो क्या either same or either opposite. So that is nothing but the cross product of two line. So every time you are finding equation of line, you must find out point and direction. So first of all, from line L, only find out direction. So B1 vector 3 minus 16 7. For line M, B2 vector, before writing direction x y z must be a coefficient 1. So 3 8 minus 5. So this one is the given lines. Now required line is perpendicular to given line. Therefore, required line direction B vector equal to B1 vector cross B2 vector. I cap, J cap, K cap. 3 minus 16 7. 3 8 minus 5. So what is the answer? I cap 80 minus 56 minus 15 minus 21 plus K cap 24 plus 48. 24 I cap प्लस 36 जे कैप प्लस 72 के कैप. Now required line passing through, अब ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, required line is passing through fixed point a vector equal to 1 2 minus 4. So equation of line r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector. A vector I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap lambda 24 I cap 36 j cap plus 72 k cap. So this one is your answer. If you want to modify, so modify only in direction. चलिए 12 कॉमन ले लीजिए, 2 3 and 6 because it is nothing but the lambda. I cap 2j cap minus 4k cap lambda 12 outside 2i cap 3j cap 6k cap. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे पूरे चैप्टर 11 का टोटल रिवाइज हो गया. सो आई होप आपको सब कुछ समझ में आया होगा. ऐसे ही प्रिपरेशन करते रहिए. नेक्स्ट टाइम न्यू वीडियो में प्रोबेबिलिटी का स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.